Now, as we have seen the classes, what we have undergone, that is the difference between 2D shape, 3D shape, the straight line, curved line, and the features of the same. Now, based on what we have learnt earlier, we will be doing some practice questions. So, are you ready for it? Okay. Now, see the board and tell me what is the correct answer for these questions. Okay? Yes. Can you see this? Can you tell me what lines are these which I have drawn on the board? Very good. I have drawn the combination of a straight line and the curved line. So now, your question is, can you tell me how many curved lines are there in this picture? Shall we count? Is it a curved line? No. Is this a curved line? No. Is this a curved line? Yes. Are these the curved lines? No. Is this the curved line? Yes. So, how many curved lines we have? Good. We have got 2 curved lines here. Can we count the number of straight lines? It's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, we have got 4 straight lines and 2 curved lines in this picture. So, are you clear, children, with the first question? Good. So, it was fun doing the questions on your own, right? Shall we move on to the next one? Okay. So, here comes your next question. Now, you have to identify this picture and tell me what picture is this. Is it a triangle? No. Why? Because a triangle has got how many sides? 3 sides. Is it a circle? No. This is not a circle because circle has got no straight lines and it has got no corners as well. Is it a square? No. Why? Square has 4 sides, a rectangle has 4 sides. So, why is it not a square? Because a square has got all the 4 sides equal. So, what is this? Good. This is a rectangle where the opposite sides are equal. Though it has got 4 sides, A, B, C and D. But A and B is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Okay? Shall we move to the next question? Great. So, here comes your next question. Now, you have to identify and tell me which is a curved line. Okay, children, I have got few straight lines and few curved lines drawn on this board. Now, your question is, you have to identify which is a slanting line. Is it A or is it B? Is it C or is it D? Is it A? Is A the slanting line? No, it's a sleeping line. And what did I tell you for sleeping line? What is another name for sleeping line? Correct. It is a horizontal line. Is B the slanting line? No, it is the standing line or the vertical line. Correct? What about C? Is C the slanting line? Yes. So, C is my slanting line. What about D? What is this? This is a curved line. So, the answer for this question is option C, which is a slanting line. Shall we move on to the next one? Okay, fine. So, now you have to identify and tell me among the shapes which I draw, which is a triangle. Okay. So here goes your option. The first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So can you tell me which of these forms a triangle? Is A the right option? No, because a triangle has got 3 sides. And how many sides has this option got? It's 1 and 2. And it's an open-ended figure, right? There is nothing which is joining this figure. So my option A is not the right answer. My option B is also not the right answer because again it has got only 2 sides. What about option C? Option C is also not the right answer because here also it has got only 2 sides and this is an open-ended side. What about the fourth one? 1, 2, 3. So does it make a complete shape? Yes. So my right option is option D, which is a triangle among all the 4 figures given. Good going. So shall we move on to the next one? Okay. Now in this question you have to identify which is the odd one out. Okay. So here is your figure. The first one, this is your second figure, this is your third figure, and this is your fourth figure. So can you tell me which is odd one out among these? Is it the first one? How many sides does this have? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has got 4 sides and this is a square. What about the second one? Shall we count the number of sides? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So option B also has got 4 sides and it is a diamond shape. You have seen diamond, right? What about option C? 1, 2, 3, 4. So option C also has 4 sides. What about option D? It's 1, 2 and 3. So which do you think is an odd one out? Is it A, B, C or D? True. Option D is odd one out because all the figures has got 4 sides whereas option D has only got 3 sides. So your right answer will be the triangle, which is the odd one out among the lot given. So is it clear? Shall we do with the next question? So here comes your 6th question. Now among these diagrams, you have to identify which of these is not a square. Okay? Your first option, your second option, your third option, and your fourth option is none of these. Okay, so we will do a quick summary of what are the features of the square which we saw. What was the first point we saw? That there are 4 equal sides in a square. So we will try to see whether the given pictures has got all 4 equal sides. Okay, remember I am talking about 4 equal sides, not 4 sides. So coming to picture A, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So are the sides equal here? Yes. So all the 4 sides are equal and it is one of the feature of the square. What about this? Now children, this will look like a diamond, but we have to see whether all the 4 sides are equal. So if you see in this manner, so though it is a diamond, but here also the 4 sides are equal and diamond is also one kind of square. Okay. The third one. This type of picture is called as quadrilateral, where though they have 4 sides, but the sides are not equal. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So can you say that side AB is equal to side CD? No, these two sides are not equal, which means it is not a rectangle as well. Can you say AB is equal to BD? Yes, one of the side is equal, but the other side is not equal. This type of shape is called as quadrilateral. So the word quad itself means 4. So quadrilateral, and it is the combination of a triangle and a rectangle. Okay, and your last option says none of these. So which do you think is the odd one out here? Is it A, B, C or D? You got it correct. Your right option is option C, which is a quadrilateral. This is not a square, whereas A and B, they satisfy the features of a square having all the 4 sides equal. Shall we move to the next question? Here comes your next question. Now, you have to tell me which among the following is not a circle. Okay? So, the first one is a coin, the second is a ball, third is a carrot, and the fourth is none of these. So, your question is, which among these is not a circle? Is it A, B, C or D? Yes, you are correct. Your right option is C, because it is a shape of a cone, whereas A and B satisfy the feature of being a circle. Shall we move on to the next one? Here is your next question. Now, in this question, you have to identify which is an odd one out. How many sides option A has got? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a shape of a diamond and it has got 4 sides. What about the second one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has got 5 sides, and this is an example of a pentagon. Okay. How many sides a circle has got? A circle is drawn with a curved line. So that's why you have no lines formed here and you have no sides in a circle. What about the fourth one? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a quadrilateral and it has got 4 sides. So which do you think is an odd one out here? Yes, it is a circle, because all the 3 figures are formed using a straight line, whereas in a circle you have not got any straight line involved. Okay, so these are the examples of the straight line, whereas a circle is an example of a curved line. Shall we move to the next question? In this figure, you have to identify the curved line. So which do you think is a curved line? Is it option A, B, C or D? Option A is your sleeping line. Option B is your slanting line. Option C is your curved line. And option D is your standing line. So my right option is option C. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Okay. So here you have to tell me which of the following shape has got a rectangular figure. Okay. So this is my postcard. This is my ball. This is my birthday cap. And this is my Coke can. Okay. Now you have to identify and tell me which among the following has got a rectangular shape. Is it A, B, C or D? Is it this Coke candle? No, because it is a cylindrical shape. How about the birthday party cap? This shape is a cone shape. It has got nothing to do with the rectangular shape. How about the ball? It's a circle or a spherical shape. What about the postcard? You are correct. Your answer is A, and postcard has got a rectangular shape.